home office where I do a lot of my crafts, projects, and videos. I just organized the space and you should check out that video right here. But there's one more thing I want to do. I'm Anna and I want to make a hanging pegboard. The pegboard supplies are from the Dollar Tree. I bought 4 pegboards. I also bought 4 packs of the support brackets. I don't know why they're called adhesive rings, kind of an odd name. I also bought a shelf, hooks, and a cup. I actually bought 2 cups, just one fell under the desk and I didn't realize it until later. I wanted to mount all of this on a picture frame, and I found this one at the Goodwill. The frame is perfect and I don't even really mind the art, but that won't be showing once the board is done. To start, I need to take the picture out of this frame without damaging anything. We'll see how that goes. Blade. Ooh, nice, there's just tabs, perfect. Oh, that makes this so much easier. I was very happy when the art popped out so much easier than I was expecting. My plan is to use the backside of the art piece, but the peg holes look really dark. I was thinking that this white and gold sticky wallpaper might lighten it up and make the board look more finished. You could also paint the backing white or just skip this step completely. I found this frame at the first thrift store I checked and somehow it was the exact size. I measured that the boards make an 18-inch square and the opening of this frame is 17.5. I don't know if that's a standard frame opening, but maybe? My original thinking was to find a frame I liked and then just fill in any of the gaps with foam board or wood. That's an option if you find a different size frame that you like. I did a dry run just to double check that somehow I actually did find the perfect size and to see how the pieces fit inside the frame. I have a 1/4 inch overlap around the perimeter that I just have to make sure I space out evenly. The boards have a tab and a cutout to help align them straight. These don't hold or lock in at all, but it is helpful for aligning them. As well, the bracket connectors have these 2 lines that show on the front of the board, and you'll want to make sure to align these to run in the same direction. Time to start assembling. I matched up the bracket lines, and then using E6000 Temu Edition and hot glue, I attached 2 boards. I did the same with the other 2 boards. I didn't attach all of the 4 boards together because I didn't think it would be strong enough and would fall apart as I tried to awkwardly move it. Next, I attach the adhesive backs to the back of the rinks, as they're labeled, the brackets. Flip the boards over and snap the rinks to the attachments on the back. I do mean snap. I snapped off at least 4 tabs off the attachments, but everything still holds securely. With all the rinks in place, I ran a bead of E6000's offshore counterpart around the inside of the frame. But seriously, E6000's, B7000, F8000, no matter what it's called, this stuff is solid glue. Stinky, but solid. The glue has a long playtime, about 20 minutes, so no rush. I fiddled until I had it lined up perfectly in the frame. And I grabbed whatever I had around me to support the middle because it was drooping a bit, and this worked great. More glue on both the bottom of the pegboard and around the frame. I secured it all with Dollar Tree craft clips. I let that dry for however long it takes to make and drink a mug of coffee, maybe like 30 minutes. I did a practice run with the backer board to see how it would be putting it in place. It slid in easy without me having to remove that hanging wire. So I moved on to exposing the sticky pads. Then all I had to do was slide in the backer board. And if I ever change my mind, I save the art without damage. A few heavy objects to weigh everything down for good adhesion. Remember how the original frame had that brown art tape around it? Well, I don't have any of that, but I do have wide painter's tape. This might be overkill, but I do have the tape on hand, so why not add an extra security step? I got a little sneak peek, but let me show you how it turned out. Isn't that so good? It looks store-bought. It doesn't look like I made it. Ah! I know where this is going, but there is a nail there that's completely like, I don't know, like a foot in the wrong direction. So I do have to move the hook and then I can hang this up. But I'm so happy with it. What it is, I'm always surprised that my things turn out. So, and this was like so easy. It just worked so well. Oh, good job. It's gonna be so handy to have this. Okay, I'm gonna go get my hammer and move that little nail over. I did not measure and totally eyeballed where I should move the nail. And yes, I 100% hung it in the spot that I kinda wanted it to be. Isn't it adorable how that Kate Spade lamp matches the peg holes? Now I just have to add the attachments, the shelf, hooks, and cups. This is above the cabinet that I refinished to hold all my Cricut vinyl. So I'm using the pegboard to organize the other items I use when cricketing. This is both practical and pretty. And it's going to be so useful to me. I've wanted to do this for over a year. It's just been on my wish list. I walk by that section at Dollar Tree, I look at the stuff on Pinterest and get these great ideas, and finally I did it. And I'm so happy with it. If you've ever made anything or tried out this pegboard from the Dollar Tree, let me know how it went in the comments. Well, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for watching all the way to the end. It really helps out our channel. Well, with that, thank you, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! I got some crafting to go do now. So good. It's adorable. It just looks so good. This is both practical and pretty. I love it so much. Okay, what was I gonna say? Okay, oh yeah. This is both practical and pretty. Okay. No. I don't like how you guys are staying either. So I walk by that section at the Dollar Tree. Oh, I totally went so good and then I screwed it up.